Okay, let's see who goes first. We're gonna be doing rock, paper, scissors 3 times. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I get to go first. Well, so you'll be seeing Ananya's pop-up card today. Bye-bye. Okay, so I won in rock, paper, scissors. So I'm going to show how to make a pop-up card. This is going to be different than usual. If you know how to make a regular pop-up card, I'm going to show a different one. So all you'll be needing is paper, pencil, eraser, glue stick or hot glue, scissors, and cardboard. And something to decorate it with. So first we need to take some paper. Fold it in half. And then take the scissors. Cut strips. Not too much, only halfway, like this. I'm going to make 4 strips. 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. Now, when you open it, you'll have these like that. So bend these like this. See? Bend all of them. Okay, so yeah. Now after you do this, we have to fold it like this so it will. This is the hard part. It keeps on going down. Then fold it like this. I might have not cut it all of them even. It's okay. There we go. See, it'll come like this. It's a little cross, but okay. Like this. Then I'm going to fold it up here too again. Yeah, fold it. I'm going to make a unique one. So, scissors. Okay. And in the middle here. So, fold this too like this. And then I'm going to be folding it like this. See? It'll be like this so far. Now, one at the bottom too. Fold it like this. By the way, just a reminder, you won't be able to fold it if you do like this. Cut there, open, and oops, I need to cut it a little bigger. There we go. Now, So it will be like this. And I guess now you know why we need the cardboard to support it on the back. Oops. Let me make this here. So it'll be like this. So now I've made some pictures already. So I made some characters here. And before sticking that, I'm going to be sticking this paper in the back so it doesn't show these cuts. So yeah, I'm going to be needing the glue later. I'm going to fold it. I got an idea. I think it's best if I glue it like this first, then fold it. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Hope it doesn't dry off. I'm just going to stick some stripes here like this. It took me 4 times. But make sure you try to get it equalized. And it dried off over here. I'll stick it later after that happens. Okay. You get some gaps like this, take that paper off and keep some glue in the middle of it, like I am. And don't forget to make sure these stay up or else they'll get stick to the paper too. Okay, now I can fold it. That there. This here. This there. There. This here. And this right over here. Now if you look in the back, there won't be any cuts. So now I'm going to stick the characters. I made my family. I made a little present for my dad. I'm going to keep it right here. I think I made this too big. Oh, and this heart up here. So let's go. And make sure you glue these strips. If you glue this, if it's too much, the glue will be wasted. So just like this. I'm going to keep my dad over here. And who should I keep next? Me or my sister? I think I'm going to go height-wise. So, my mom. Actually, I'm going to make this up. Wow, my mom is tall. I think I didn't. Yeah, my mom is taller than my dad, I think. That's okay. Because Aashritha helped me with this. So, me next. And I'm going to make this as Aashritha. I am supposed to be taller than her. Okay, so this is how it turned out. So, in the back of it, I'm going to stick some cardboard. So, I'm going to stick it like this so it could stand. You think so it's going to take me a while to decorate, so till then watch Aashritha's. In the meantime, I'll be here sticking this and decorating it. So make Aashritha come up here in magic. So let's make Aashritha come up here in with some magic in 3, 2. So I appeared in magic. I don't know how, I just came in. So anyways, I'm going to be making a man that you could write a note inside of him. So let's get started with our craft. So you'll be needing paper, any color, and then you'll be needing another colored paper, 2 colored papers. They have to be different. You could use stickers or anything to decorate with. We need glue, a glue stick, an eraser if some drawing mistakes came, and pencil or a pen. So let's get started with this craft. I'm going to keep my pink paper aside, start with my blue. Then I take my blue and fold it in half. Okay, so I folded the paper. So now we'll be needing to make a dot in the center. So now we'll be needing to do another fold like this way so we could know where the center is. So we'll be needing to fold. Okay, there. Now we folded it, and now we see the middle. So we're going to here's the middle, so I make a dot. Could you see the dot? Okay. So now I'll be needing scissors. So I got my scissors. Starting to cut till the dot only. Okay, I cut it till the dot only, and now we're going to be opening it. So you could see as it came two sides. So we're going to keep it like this. We're going to fold one side like this. Take this and fold it. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. Take it and then fold it. There. And now this one, we're not going to be folding it like this. We're just going to be folding it like this and sticking it. We're not going to be opening this. So I got the glue stick here. So I got my glue stick, and so let's make a line so we can know till where we need to glue. Okay, it's like this. We're going to glue till this line. There. There, we're going to let it dry and stick for a while. Same thing with the other side. And fold. So we got our line, and we're going to glue it again. No need to glue the full thing, we could just use zigzag lines. Stick it. So yeah, we're going to let these dry. Until then, we're going to be doing from the top. So we have like this, right? You're going to be making some little triangles here. Like this. You can see a triangle. And same thing with the other side. It has to be the same. Like this. So we're going to keep the body aside now. And I'm going to be using my pink paper for the bodies, like the face. So now I'm going to be drawing the face, hands, and legs. So I'm going to start with the face. So I made arms and hands. I made a face and some legs, 2 legs. So I'm going to be sticking the legs on the body. So you could stick, don't make it here like you want to stick. Make a bit longer so you could stick how much you want. Like this. And then glue that much. So now you'll be sticking it straight. And now I'm going to be sticking the head. So we're going to be turning it over and sticking some of the neck here. Just move the spot. So now I'm going to be sticking it. After you're done sticking it, take your hands and fold it like this. We're going to be taking our hands and folding, and we're going to fold the hands like this. It came like a slant here. Same thing with the other hand. We're going to do. Our man is finished. So now we could decorate our man however we like. So I'm going to be decorating. Now I took my black color pencil. I'm going to start decorating. So I'm finished with my dad or man. I kept some buttons and a pocket with a flower or a rose in it. So now I'm going to show you what I wrote inside. Happy Father's Day, Dad. May you have the best Father's Day. Love, Aashritha. So, what do you think of my man? So let's call Ananya. Here she's coming. 1, 2, and 3. And she came. So here's mine. And in the back, let's read what your note says. And this is my note. It says, Happy Father's Day, Dad. Love you so much. From Ananya. There's some balloons. What balloons? I should have had drew them a little darker. So it won't be a picture. And here's mine.